Hello, I am Nina. I am not going to explain anything about me because I've done this multiple times. Show my face several times, so I've had to start over. So I'm unboxing fidgets because my sister caught up to them. So these are kind of little like squishy things, like squishies. They're supposed to be party favors, but I'm keeping them. I might give some of them to my friends, but I don't know. So I'm unboxing that was a reveal of my half face. I'm unboxing these four. I can wait. So right now we have this little bunny, so cute. There was this other bunny. That was the first one I unboxed. So they match apparently. Get it out. So they match. I think this one's cute. So, I don't know what this is really, but I'm guessing it's a frog with really big eyes, or a giant sloth, which in that case I'm terrified of it. But I'm guessing it's a frog. Okay, you know what? You can just see my face. So, this is it. Also, these all smell really bad. My hands smell really, really bad. But I'm going to wash all of these because they're already getting dirty. That fell. Okay, I'll get that later. You know what? I'm going to be using CapCut. I put this into 2 videos because I'm really dumb and I don't know how to do this stuff, so you know what? I'm gonna throw that away later. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait, it's like this thing. I don't. Oh, it's so cute. Wow, look at it. Oh, so cute. Cute. Can y'all hear me? I don't know. I'm sorry if you can hear the TV in the background, but my dad's watching TV. So I'm gonna go get that one, but it was the same one, but just in a white version as this one. So yeah, okay. I'll go get them. I'll show them to you. Okay, these are all of them. I have tried showing them many times, but it has failed. So, these are them. My favorites. Yeah, that's the white version of that one. So, yeah, that's all of them. And, just, to end off this video, my dead plant.